Topic is vocabulary. What is the meaning of vocabulary? That is a knowledge of words. Knowledge of words. The second question comes. Why should a candidate, why should a student possess knowledge of words? That is, why he must be familiar with vocabulary. In any competitive exam, whether bank, IBPS clerical cadre or IBPS PO or staff selection commission, tier 1, tier 2, English language is inevitable. That is, you have to score good marks in English language also. For example, preliminary exam means IBPS, clerical cadre, PO, how many questions will come? That is, nearly 30 questions will come. SSC means 25 questions will appear. I am telling about preliminary exam. Mains exam means it may come to about 40 questions. So, if a candidate is very familiar with vocabulary, he will be able to solve the questions related to synonyms, antonyms, fill in the blanks. Okay. That is another name you can call cloze test. Okay. It will facilitate the candidate in solving the problems related to reading comprehension also. More number of synonyms and antonyms a candidate learns, it will help him in scoring very good marks in any competitive exams. In this exercise, we will try to give some important words that frequently do appear in competitive exams. It will have an idea that how questions will be framed in competitive exams. What are the uses? Just now I told you synonyms, antonyms. Antonym means what? Opposite. Synonym means what? Same meaning. Antonym means opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. Synonym means same meaning, same words, same meaning words. A reading comprehension. That is, they will be giving you a passage. Below some 5 questions or 10 questions will appear. You have to go through that comprehension carefully. You must know the entire meaning of the passage. That's why vocabulary is very important. Similarly, cloze test. Here also some 5 to 10 questions do appear in competitive exams. This is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks from the appropriate options given in the question paper. Spot the error. How many questions will come? Not less than 5 questions. I am telling not less than. Sentence rearrangement. Para jumble. For all these topics, the backbone is vocabulary. Okay. Now, what are the steps one has to follow? Here they have given learn minimum 20 words I would rather emphasize, learn minimum 50 words. Here you can change as 20 as 50 also. 20 they are telling minimum. Don't go, I have learned 20 enough. No. Any subject is an ocean. Vocabulary is very important. So try to learn. Don't try to fix, I have learned this much, enough. Sky is no longer the limit for learning as far as vocabulary is concerned also. Learn minimum 20 words every day. Where? This is only they have given example, Hindu editorial, Times of India, any good English newspaper. In that go to editorials. Generally fill in the blanks or antonyms, synonyms, questions are framed by the examiner from the editorials of various newspapers pertaining to last 6 months. So last 6 months, suppose October is the exam, suppose you start from February, January onwards, January, February, March, April, etc. some 6 to 7 months editorials you read, try to understand the meaning. Don't leave any word, all meaning you learn. That is what will help you. Root words, that is basic word, from where it originates. Example, mono. Mono is the root word, that is on this root so many words are being formed. Mono, that means single, only one. From there they are forming monarchy, that is only one person is ruling, almost like a dictatorship, only one person is ruling. This is called monarchy. So first vocabulary in this exercise, monarchy, rule under one person. What is THEI? This is the root word. THEI, the, that is it. It refers to God or any religion. Whenever IST means, what does IST? It is a follower. Okay. Florist, that means who sells flowers. IST, we are. Theist, here the root word God. That is one who believes in God. That is the general version. Remember, general version. I believe in God. That means I have faith in God. I am a theist. Whereas atheist is antonym of theist. One who does not believe in God. So in this vocabulary what you are learning? 2 words, 2 synonyms, 2 antonyms also, 1 antonym also you are learning. Suppose in the examination the question comes, what is the antonym for theist? You can write as atheist, one who does not believe in God, irrespective of the religion. Religion is not the criteria here. Here the criteria is the person does not believe in God. Then theist, again, what is the theist? Believes in God. Mono, that means he will believe one God only. What is the meaning of one God? For example, in Hindu religion there are many gods, right? Krishna, Rama, Muruga, Vinayaka. But a person who believes, for example, one person who believes in Lord Sri Krishna only, then he is called monotheist, one who believes in only one God. Polytheist, one who believes in many gods. Many gods means within the religion. Within the religion. I believe in Lord Vishnu also. I believed in Lord Shiva also. Believe in Goddess Saraswati also. That means I am called polytheist. Okay. So theist, atheist, monotheist, polytheist. What is a pantheist? Pantheist means he believes in all gods across all religion. Whether Buddhism or Hinduism or Christianity or Islam, he believes in all gods. That is, God is existing. That is, he is called pantheist. Clear? Next. Mono. Mono means just now we saw one. Monotheist we have seen. Monopoly. What is monopoly? Suppose for corona preventive vaccine, only Ranbaxy only manufactures. Okay, what will happen? Suppose Ranbaxy you know, that is medical products manufacturing company, pharmaceutical company, Ranbaxy. It manufactures COVID-19 vaccine, it alone manufactures. What will happen? That will be called monopoly. Control of one, many things. That is, whatever price it fixes, people have to buy. There is no other option. Monopoly, single person, control of everything, other things. Monologue. Monologue means speech given by only one person. Suppose 100 persons in the podium, 10 persons are there. Only one person is delivering the speech. Whether it is a extempore or maiden speech, that is called monologue. Monotonous. I have been working since morning. The same work. I feel very monotonous. That is very tiresome. Tiresome. Monarch. Monarch means one ruler. Almost like dictator. Monorail. Normally, a train runs on two rails, right? Narrow gauge, broad gauge, whatever it may be. Two rails. But monorail means it will run only on one rail. This is called monorail. So these are the vocabulary words we are seeing from the word using mono. Poly. The opposite for mono is poly. Okay, mono. Suppose I put into. You understand that is antonym. Mono. That is opposite poly. Polytheist. He believes in many gods. Okay. Polychromatic. Remember chrome. If you come across the word CH, potassium dichromate. One chemical salt is there, potassium dichromate. Chrome means color. Always remember CHROM. Poly means just now we saw multi. Polychromatic, that means it has different colors. Various colors are there. Suppose monochromatic, if it is there, what will happen? It will have only one color, say blue, green, red or orange, whatever it may be. It will have that salt or whatever article, it will have only one. Polyclinic. In day-to-day life, we have come across this polyclinic. On roads, we may see Anbu Polyclinic, X Polyclinic. Polyclinic means what? That is, it is just like 24 hours hospital, just like I am using the word. It is not, it need not be exactly 24 hours. A hospital that treats many kinds of disease. Okay. Suppose eye hospital means what they will do? They will give treatment for eye related to eye only. ENT means ear, nose, throat only. Cardiologist, that is heart related problems only, they will check and then give treatment. Whereas polyclinic means any person who is suffering from any disease, any kind, can go and approach this polyclinic wherein the treatment will be given. Polyglot, a person who knows how to speak, read or write many languages. I know how to write Tamil, Kannada, I can talk multi languages, I can talk, write, speak. Then I will be called polyglot. Polygon. See, in mathematics, especially mensuration topic, you might have come across the word pentagon. Okay. Pentagon means what? 2, 3, 4, 5 sides will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Hexagon. Octagon. That is having 8 sides. It will be that. Suppose a geometry, it is having multi dimensions. A 2-dimensional figure means it is not, that is a 2D. Okay. What is 2D and 3D? 2D means only length and breadth will be there. Perimeter and area only you can calculate. 3D means what? 3 dimension. Volume, lateral surface and curved surface. Length, breadth, height, everything will come. Whereas a polygon, a 2-dimensional figure that has many sides and angles also. Whenever sides are there, suppose it is like this, sides will definitely have an impact of angle also. So many angles. So this is an angle, this is an angle, this is an angle, this is an angle. Angle. Whenever sides, geometrical figures are there, automatically along with the sides, angles will also be there. So polygon means that is a 2D figure that has many sides and angles. Phobia. Generally, any phobia itself, afraid of, fear. Phobia means fear. What is the meaning of phobia? If they ask, the synonym for phobia is fear. Zoophobia. Zoo, you know that where animals are being kept. If I am afraid to go to zoo and see the animals, then I will be called, I am having zoophobia. Andro. Andro means boys. Gyno. Gyno means girls. Androphobia, dislike, that is I don't like, or I am afraid to talk with, fear of boys. Dislike or fear of boys is called androphobia. Coming to gynophobia. Gyno means, always remember, it is girls, ladies. Gynecologist, we are seeing, no, Magaperu Marthuvar, ladies doctor. That is, gyno means ladies. Dislike or fear of girls. Pedophobia. Pedo means a very small child. Pediatric doctor. Pediatrician. That is, doctor means who is taking care of children's, small child's health. Pedophobia. Dislike or fear of children. So you have learned andro, gyno, pedo. Demo. What is demo? Demo means always public speech. He has got nervousness while talking in a public meeting. Then he is suffering from, always we use the word, suffering from demophobia. Anthrophobia. The fear of people and human companion. Anthro. Here it is not specific about men or women. It says I am afraid of entire human companionship. I don't like any human being. I don't want to be mingled with them. Then I am called anthrophobia. Theo. Just now we saw Theo. Theo means what? God. Bar. Religion related. Theophobia. I am fear of religion. RELIGIOUN. Okay. RELIGIOUN. Religion. Zoophobia, androphobia, gynophobia, pedophobia. What is the spelling for phobia? PHOBIA. Andry, andro, andric. Andry means related, it is related to man or human. Polyandry, POLYANDRY. POLY we should not put, remember, okay? Polyandry. Poly means just now we saw multiple, more than one. So here it refers to the practice of having more than one husband at the same time. That is, this is applicable to ladies. If a lady has more than one husband, she is called polyandry. Whereas polygamy, okay, polygamy generally refers to POLYGAMY. Polygamy, having more than one wife at the same time. Generally we refer like that. Polygamy, he is having more than two wives at the same time. Psychiatric. Psychiatric means psycho-related. Psychology, a reference to the mind of a man. Mind of a man, psychiatric. PZYCHANDRIC. Psychiatric. Android. What is the spelling for Android? Why I am asking you to read the spelling also? Why I am telling? Words often misspelt. Question 5 questions do come in clerical cadre. Android. What they will do? ANDRAID they will put. We have to find out the correct one. Android. ANDROID. That is, it looks like robo. That is your cell phone. Whatever command you gives, it obeys and gives data just like robo. Misandry. 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 Hatred towards men. Manida. That is, I hate men. Androcracy. 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 The political rule by men. Political rule by men or males. That is, no female will participate. Only ruled by male. That is called andro. Again and again, remember the base root andro that relates to men. Androcentric. Andro, again men. Centric. What is centric? Focused at the center. That is, they are being paid more attention. That is, in a crowd. Androcentric. Centered or focused on men alone. Crazy. Okay. Democracy, autocracy, theocracy, plutocracy, oligocracy, mobocracy, CRACY. That is the root word. That means rule. Democracy. India is a democratic country. For the people, of the people, by the people, it is being ruled. That is, elected representatives of the people rule the government on behalf of people. That is for the people. For the people. What is democracy? For the people. Of the people. Okay, first you should come of the people. Okay, of the people. For the people. This should come one. Okay, of the people. For the people. And by the people. That is called democracy. D-E-M-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Whenever you are going through the slide, try to remember the spellings also. Very important. Spelling is, because the exam they may purposefully go D-E-M-O-C-R-A-C-I they will give, which is wrong. Then we should know the correct spelling. Autocracy. Auto, that is only one person. Dictatorship, kingship, when one person rules the whole government or system by themselves. That is no democracy. Example, Hitler, Mussolini, etc. They were dictators. Theocracy, theo, again and again. That is related to religion, God. Theocracy means what? T-H-E-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Theocracy. When government is of religious people like priests, bishops, etc. For example, you go to Vatican City. Vatican City, that is theocracy, ruled by Pope. When government is of religious people. Plutocracy, P-L-U-T-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Pluto. What is Pluto? Pluto means wealthy, rich. When government is controlled by wealthy people like industrialists, that is, they will dominate the government. Whatever these industrialists say, the government will follow. That is called plutocracy. The influence of industrialists on the government. That is plutocracy. Oligocracy. O-L-I-G-O-C-R-A-C-Y. That is only few people, selected few. That means there will not be heavy collection of members of parliament, etc. Only selected few will run the government. Mobocracy. M-O-B-O-C-R-A-C-Y. When crowd takes over government, or in other words, lawlessness. That is, entire crowd is raising slogans, breaking the doors, breaking the shops. Vandalism takes place. That is mob. Mob controls, takes over government. Mob is attacking every public property. Crowd takes over government, or in other words, lawlessness. There is no law and order in the country. Clear? This is harmony crazy. What is the basic rule? Crazy rule. Okay. Democracy. For the people, of the people, by the people. That is a demo. Demo means people. Democide. Always C-I-D-E. That is always C-I-D means it relates to some killing. It may be in large numbers also. Democide. Killing of a mass people. Group of people are being killed. Democide. D-E-M-O-C-I-D-E. Democrat. D-E-M-O-C-R-A-T. What is the meaning of democrat? One who supports the rule by the people. Demo economy, demographic economy, related to statistics about the people. This is self-explanatory. That is one who is supporting demographic economy. What is a demography? It is a branch of demography. What is the spelling? D-E-M-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Demography. Branch of sociology that deals with the statistics of population, birth, death, marriages, any statistics related to population. Sometimes even the education is also included here in demography. And literacy rate is also included. Demography means a branch of sociology that deals with statistics of populations. Demonym, a word that indicates native people of a particular place. How we called Thailand people? Thai. Germany people? German. That is demonym.